bell ringing in an ancient Vedic rituals which since then followed in the temples. One can see multiple bells hanging over the roofs of temples and shrines around India. Devotees have faith in this tradition since old times and continue doing it without fail. These devotees believe that by doing so, they knock God's entrance to ask permission to enter his temple. Agama Shastra says that the sound of the bell keeps the evil forces away and is liked by the god. The bells are made in a manner that its sound lasts for around 7 seconds in echo mode. The duration of this ring is good enough to activate all our 7 chakras healing centers defined in yoga. The vibes from the Indian bells gives peace to human soul and also is a mode of mindfulness. To get more devotional videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our FB page.